Dome Materials offers a full line of purging compounds that allow for faster color changeovers, resin changeovers, black specks carbon contamination cleaning, high-low temperature changeovers, and reduced shutdowns in startups in injection molding, extrusion, and blow molding. We also provide mechanical purge grades for tougher cleanouts for a wide variety of engineered and glass-filled materials for fast, easy, and effective purging. Our technical support team can offer great tips and technical support to help plastic molders and extruders improve their purging process. We can provide free samples for testing and work with you on a custom purging program. Dome offers unmatched technical support for innovative products. Contact us today for a free sample and technical support for your projects.